Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Hyundai Elantra with a smart key. First, make sure your smart key is actually inside the vehicle with you. Then, firmly press down on the brake pedal. With your foot on the brake, simply push the engine start/stop button located on your dashboard. Your Elantra should then smoothly come to life, ready for your drive. It's a straightforward process designed for convenience. What if your key fob battery is low or completely dead? Don't worry, your Elantra has a backup. Simply take your smart key fob and physically press it directly against the engine start/stop button. Use the fob itself to push the button. This action allows the car to read the key's transponder, even without battery power, and will start the engine. It's a clever design to prevent being stranded. Many Elantra models also offer a convenient remote start feature. To use it, first ensure all your vehicle doors are securely locked using your smart key fob. Next, locate the remote start button on your fob, often depicted with a circular arrow. Press and hold this button for about 2 to 3 seconds. Your Elantra's engine will then start and typically run for approximately 10 minutes before automatically shutting off. If your Elantra still won't start, consider a few troubleshooting steps. First, verify that your vehicle's main battery isn't dead. Also, confirm that the transmission is securely in park or neutral, as the car won't start otherwise. If issues persist, it's always a good idea to consult your Elantra's owner's manual for model-specific guidance or contact a certified service center. These tips should help you get going.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.